Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Shazad Khan. I hope you are staying healthy and safe. Welcome back to another video with another two incredible products from Huawei. This time I will show you my two personal favorite devices that I was waiting to receive for some time now. Here I got with me the incredible Y9A, which comes with ultra full view display, 64 MP all scenario quad camera and 4200 mAh battery with super fast charging, 40 watts. And on the other hand, I got all new Huawei Watch Fit that truly changed my perspective on smartwatches. The Y9A offer you an immersive viewing experience unlike the other brand, and that's due to ultra full view display that comes with incredible high screen to body ratio, 92.02%. Let's take a look at the back. From the back side, you get the stunning hollow ring design that was first introducing on the Huawei flagship models. What makes it even more beautiful are the three colors that you got to choose: space silver, sakura pink and midnight black. On the back, you get 64 MP all scenario quad camera. Now you can capture super clarity shooting for sweeping landscapes, distant landmark and cloud scenes. Even at night, you can capture blur-free and focus-handled photos in low-light situations. And let's not forget about the pop-up selfie camera. AI Beauty brings you the customized beauty effects according to gender, age and skin. Huawei always provides the best battery solution in their all smartphone. The Y9A comes with a huge battery 4200 that can charge 0 to 67% in just 30 minutes, and you can get 7 hours of phone calls after 5 minutes of charging. Y9A also comes with Huawei Petal Search, where you can search, download, install, update your favorite apps by just a click of your finger. Now let's take a look at the Huawei Watch Fit and what is all the buzz all about. There are so many reasons that makes the Watch Fit my favorite smartwatch available currently. Let's start with everyone concerned, which comes with the buying a smartwatch, which is the battery. The battery that can last up to 10 days on normal usage. Now I truly do not have to worry about charging it, unlike the other more expensive smartwatches in the market that I have to charge every 2 days. The Huawei Watch Fit comes with an incredible 1.64 display with auto brightness that makes it so much easier to read notifications and messages even under sunlight. And the best part of the option is to customize the watch faces through the Huawei Health app to suit your mood. Now let me tell you why this watch is my favorite. This watch provides 12 kind of animation, quick workout mode, and includes 44 standard movement demonstration. It also includes a total of 96 workout modes to choose from. So no more of wasting time on searching online on how to do specific exercise. I got my personal trainer with me. WatchFit also provides me with 24 hours tracking of heart rate, stress monitor, sleep tracking and oxygen saturation level with accuracy, which makes it so much easier to track my performance for a better and healthier lifestyle. And all the data can be viewed in the detail throughout the Huawei Health app on my Y9A. So hurry up and head to the local stores to get your very own Huawei Y9A and Huawei Watch Fit. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you next time.